Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to remove GitHub from any project. And if you find this video helpful, just like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so you open the root folder of the project that you want to remove the GitHub. So you go to the project, you open the folder, and then you go to the options, and then you show all the hidden items. After showing all hidden folders, it appears on top. So that is it, Git, and then .plastic. But .plastic is part of my work folder, so I wouldn't touch that. But then what I'm going to remove is the .git. Alright, so let me open Visual Studio and then show you what I'm talking about. So you open the Visual Studio and then you see the source control. That is where all the Git projects load. So you see mine, this is mine, and it keeps loading. I have a lot of project files. This is like a Unity project, so it takes a lot of files, and then it keeps loading. I think I have about 10,000 changes, and then that's like a whole lot, and then it keeps crashing my project. So we go to the source control, and then we see all the projects in there. So let me just skip this and then open the folder. So I right click on the Git, the .git, that is the hidden folder, and delete, or either I can just click on the delete up there and then start deleting the file. And then maybe I can turn off the hidden items again, and then I will show you how it looks like on Visual Studio. So let's just go back to opening Visual Studio, and then let's check that. So I go to Visual Studio, I go to the source control, and then you see that there's no more Git projects, and then it's empty. It's scanning for a folder for Git repositories, but it won't find anything. So now my project runs smoothly on my computer. At first, because I had a Git project, so it keeps crashing, but now you see it's running smoothly. So this is how to remove GitHub from any kind of project. All you need to do is to go to the folder, turn on hidden items, and then just delete the .git file. That is it. Thank you guys, and thank you for viewing.
Get kick.